Hello, and we are back in Unit 3 Handling Data 3. In this tutorial, we will be solving the following exercise. This frequency table gives the times of the first 60 runners in a cross-country race. Find the median for the following distribution. Now, as we've learned before, once you hear the word median, the first thing that should pop into your mind is middle. So, when we're looking for the median between any set of values, the median is the one that is right in the middle. It is the midpoint of all values. So, if we take a closer look, in the table we have the time range of the racers that finished the race, and on the right we have the frequency. We have how many racers finished within that time range. But what we need is the median. So, to calculate the median, you need the total divided by 2. The total in such case is 60, since you have 60 runners that finished the race. And then we need their median. So their median is 60 divided by 2, which in such case is 30. So we would be looking for the 30. And now, let us take a look. We're going to draw a smaller column on the right side of this table so that we would see where the median is. Keep in mind, we're looking for a value and not the frequency. The frequency is just a tool that helps me find the value, which is the median. Now, let us start. At first, the time range 17 to 18, there were 4 racers. And for the second time range, that is 18 to 19, there were 7. So 7 adds on top of the previous numbers, so we're at 11 right now. And for the third time range, we had 8 racers, so we're at 19. At the fourth time range, we had 13 racers, so we're at 32. And let's keep on adding. 32 plus 12 is 44. 44 plus 9 is 53. 53 plus 7 is 60. But we are looking for the median right here. And as I've said before, the median is the 30th value. So keep looking through the extra column where the 30th value is. It is right there at the time range between 20 and 21 minutes where it had a frequency of 13. The 30th value is within that time range. So we conclude that the median for the distribution of the 60 runners in a cross-country race is the 20 to 21 minutes.